Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Rosann Can. My name is Rosann and I can do stuff. I've been blessed with a pretty long life and I've learned stuff, and I think we're going to spend some time just sharing that. Been researching how to create a YouTube page and how to get it going, and the basic premise seems to be just do it, start it. One guy said, nobody cares, nobody's going to see your first video anyway. Probably your first number of videos no one's going to see. So just get started, press record, upload it to Facebook, and get used to doing it. Get practice. So this is what I'm doing. So I'm starting it out by introducing myself. I am a semi-retired mom whose children are all grown, have some grandkids flipping around that are fun to play with. I work part-time, so I have a lot of free time on my hands. I travel to Europe at least a couple times a year, Italy especially, but other parts of Europe as well. Of course, COVID has put a halt to that last year, but we've been back this year. Back to Ireland this year, went to Italy, going to Ireland again in November. So, no, I'm not. I'm going to Italy again in November. So it's moving along. Life's getting back to traveling is possible and safe. So we're happy with that one. This channel is primarily going to be travel, cooking, organization, and just sharing. I love to cook. I'm fairly decent at it. My friends say I'm really good at it, but they like me. I love it when my kitchen has a dusting of flour all over it, because that means I've been baking bread or making fresh pasta. Both of things that I love to do. I like to create unusual meals without recipes, just with what I have on hand. I like to try new things. I think recipes in general are suggestions, so it's always fun to just see what else I can make with it or how I can change it up, or I don't like this ingredient, so I'm going to substitute this ingredient. It's about learning when we need salt, when we need acid, when we need different elements of a dish to cause it to come together. So I'll share some of that with you, some of the stuff I've learned. I've been traveling, like I said, pretty regularly for the last 10 or 12 years. And I really enjoyed it. It's my jam. It's my passion. It's why I cut my own hair. You probably can tell. Had a really unfortunate accident lately. It's why I don't do mani-pedis. It's why I don't pay for cable in my home. I would rather spend that money on traveling. Spending money is like voting. This is what's most important to me. If you love sports and sitting and vegging on the weekends and catching up on your teams is really important to you and brings you a lot of joys, spend that $1,200, $1,500 a year on your cable. That's good. It's valuable to you. I don't care that much about television, so I don't spend money on that. That's a choice for me, because when I think of that money, I think it's a round-trip ticket to wherever I would like to go next. So I do like to travel. I travel light. I'll share that with you, how to do it, why it's so very important to do it, what the benefits are, how to make sure you have everything you need. What else can we talk about? Just tons of stuff, just tons of stuff. So we're going to gradually work through different things. My goal is to post a video a week, just to see how it goes, just to learn to use a video camera. I want to learn to edit a little bit. This is not going to be a glitzy, professional quality video channel. It's going to be more of a let's sit and chat. Let's talk about what I've learned. Let me encourage you to experience something new. Here's a suggestion that you could try. Or let's try making this. Can we see what we can change up and how can we make this better? That's the type of things I hope to share with you. So we will give it a try. This is my first one, so we'll see how it goes. Like my video, if you would be so kind. And hey, why not subscribe? Somebody's got to be first, right? It supposedly takes a long time to get your first 10 or 100 subscribers, but let's see how it goes. That's not my main goal for doing it, but If I do get subscribers, then I will be able to keep going, so it will certainly benefit both of us in the long run. So if you like it, subscribe. But definitely give a thumb up. This thing. Yeah, do that. Okay, you guys have a great day. Thanks. Thanks for watching my very first YouTube video.